I don't know.
It stops in a few minutes.
Cool light up,
cool.
Chris.
That's really, really cool. Still, I want to be it for Halloween.
Okay. And we don't have to worry about a Halloween present.
Not really satisfied that I got that.
You're not very what?
Satisfied.
Satisfied.
Mom,
What?
what does it say on the top of two?
Says Sam from Santa.
Oh, Santa Claus.
He usually writes Samantha.
Oh.
And then this one's Samantha.
Might not be you. Might be for a different kid.
Dad,
What?
he does everything correct.
Okay.
Rudolph helps.
That's why it's correct.
Oh, that's cool.
What did you get?
It says that. Ooh, that's cool. What is it?
It's, I think you could paint on that bag.
You could draw
Yeah.
on the bag.
Draw on it. Oh, okay.
That's really cool.
Okay, get the next one.
Your trash girl.